here at the wonderfully decorated Bistro 1907. I like our new locale
I
here.
know, I love it.
This
You know,
is
being
fantastic.
part of historic downtown Youngstown and part of the DoubleTree by Hilton is just fantastic.
It's been good. All right, little snippet into the world of my case.
Yes.
I don't like beets.
I know.
I've never liked beets. Always when they come on the salad, I hate that purple juice that comes out. I give it to my
but
dad.
Have you ever seen beets like this?
No, I've never seen a beet.
This is what a beet looks like. It doesn't come in a little can,
No.
but it comes
It's not
fresh
a cylinder,
out of the earth.
But then I tried your beets.
And then you like them.
I liked a beet. Finally, I liked a beet. It was like a light shine down on me.
So we have these great beets, again from Molnar Farms. They were just picked. Talked to Rick yesterday. And this is one of the early summer crops.
And this is called, on the menu, it's beef carpaccio?
Beet Carpaccio.
Beet carpaccio.
Yeah, so we're just going to take off the beet greens, and you can use those. You can saute those down. They're a little bit bitter, but if you saute them down with a little bit of like balsamic vinegar and olive oil and garlic, they're fantastic.
Okay.
So we're just going to trim these up a little bit. Take off that stem right there. Trim these down just a bit, but then we have to clean them really, really well.
Right, because they're in the ground.
They're in the ground.
That's why I don't understand people that eat the outside of the potato.
I love the outside of the potato. It's my favorite part.
Before you and everything.
Yeah.
Potato skins. I guess.
Exactly.
I don't know.
So now we're just going to, take your towel, Mike, if you could help me, and we just want to wash those off real quick. And you can see all the dirt that's coming off.
This is like when your golf ball's on the green and you want to pick it up.
Exactly. Well, there should be a beet washing machine. That would be very nice.
There should be. Because like, the one like on the golf course.
Exactly. So we're just going to wash these off real quick. Now we're going to take them. We want to drizzle them with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil.
And what are we going to do with them?
We're going to roast these.
We're going to roast them.
We're going to season them liberally with some salt. Again, some of that great Telecherry peppercorn. Just like that. And now we're going to wrap them individually. Because we want to kind of like bake them, but steam them at the same time. Okay. So we're going to make these little pockets for them to steam inside of the oven. And you don't have to go crazy. Here we go.
Like foil stuff. Okay.
Foil stuff.
What if there's a hole in the foil?
That's okay. We're okay. Take these, put them in the oven, 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
And then we're going to come back and we're going to show you how to peel them and make the carpaccio.
When you cook them in the oven, as opposed to cooking them elsewhere, does it do something special?
It condenses the flavors. So if we boiled the beet, that leaches the flavor out. Okay. Now we're forcing the flavor to stay in.
Okay. And then when they come out, they're going to look like that, right?
Yes, they are.
That's a little teaser. We'll take a little break, come back, we'll talk about the beets, and then I guess we're going to probably put something on top, right?
Yes, we are.
Some sort of sauce.
There's going to be a vinaigrette.
French love sauce,
a citronette, actually.
A citronette when we come back.
All right. So, Mike, they're roasted.
They're roasted. These, when we last left, these went into the oven, these little foily pockets of goodness, and there are beets inside, and now we're going to finish them up.
Yeah, and when they come out, they look like this. They look like little shriveled dinosaur eggs. And they're really easy to peel. You just want to take and start to remove the skin just like this and peel them off.
And once you get down to the purple part,
and then once you get down to the purple part, but look at how beautiful the color is on those. Now we have the beautiful beet right here. And we are going to make some carpaccio. But first, we are going to make the citronette. A citronette is nothing more than a vinaigrette made with citrus juice.
Okay.
So with this, we're going to use oranges. Because oranges and beets go perfectly.
There you go.
So we're going to take this beautiful tool called a microplaner.
Okay.
And we're just going to zest off the outside. Because underneath of that beautiful zest that has all the essential oils.
Yeah, there you go. Let's show that. There you go. Just like that. Okay.
Amazing. Has all the flavor. Actually, the zest of one fruit is worth the juice of two. So it's that much more compact in flavor. Okay. Much more concentrated in flavor. So we take that, we're going to cut this in half.
Is a beet a fruit or a vegetable?
It's a vegetable. Tomato's a fruit.
That's what I heard.
But beet is a vegetable. And we're just going to squeeze all that beautiful juice. We have that zest. Now we're going to add a pinch of salt, because salt, orange juice, and olive oil are like a match made in heaven. Okay. We're going to use that beautiful California extra virgin olive oil. Okay. Just like that. Some cracked black pepper, fresh ground, Telecherry pepper.
And what is Telecherry again?
Telecherry is a very bright floral peppercorn from India.
Tastes about the same?
No, it's a lot more peppery in flavor, but not as hot.
Okay.
A little bit more mild. So we just kind of whisk that together and make it happy. We're going to pull that off to the side.
Wait, can we show it first?
Sure.
Want to show it real quick?
Yeah.
Let's show what it looks like.
Isn't that beautiful? It just says summer and sun.
No, that does look good. Okay, very good.
Now we're going to take a plate. We're going to grab a beet, and I'm going to do this because I don't want you to take a piece out of your finger.
No, I've seen it happen.
This is called a Japanese Baron-Reiner.
Okay.
Okay? And you can use a knife if you have to. But now we're just going to make very thin slices of the beets. It's kind of like a little guillotine.
Ah, it's like those guys at the sub shop that do it with the salami.
Yeah, exactly. So we just want to make very thin slices, hence the word carpaccio.
Is that what it means?
Yes.
Thin slices?
Yep. And we're going to take those beautiful thin slices of beet, and we're just going to layer them around the plate because we eat with our eyes. You want to do it in a circular pattern.
Even my eyes are a little bit heavy.
Are they a little bit
I do
heavy?
a lot of eating, yeah.
No, you don't, Mike. Okay. How's the golf game so far this
It's
year?
rotten.
It's rotten?
You had to bring that up?
Well, you know, sometimes we do. We're going to take these beautiful microgreens from Lamppost Farms.
Ah.
Okay, we're going to take that wonderful citronette, that orange citronette, go right around the outside.
And now these are already cooked. We're ready to go.
We're
right?
ready to
just
go.
doing the
You could
serving
take
now.
those, you could pickle those now, you could do whatever you want to.
Okay.
So again, a little vegan nut cheese.
This is different than the other cheese?
This is different than the other cheese.
Okay.
This is a vegan feta cheese.
Okay.
So feta, beets, oranges go really, really well together. And again, we're gonna go with those pepitas because I like the crunch on top of that and the saltiness of the pepitas with the beets. And Mike, there we have Beets Carpaccio, only at Bistro 1907.
How do you get vegan cheese, by the way?
You have to order it special.
You have to know the vegan cheese
Well, you can go to
growers over
Ailey's out in Boardman. She has it.
Oh, yeah, she's great.
She's great. So now we
Right,
just
so we're
take
gonna try it.
that beautiful beet, a little bit of those microgreens.
Now, this is the only beet I'll ever eat. You got my word.
Crunchy, sweet, salty, umami, all the five senses are there.
It's way better than regular beets.
It is way better
This is
than regular.
way better. Why can't everybody do this?
I don't know.
It seems like you could do it at home, though, if you really
Very
want to.
easily done at home.
All right, this is on the, what, the appetizer part of
This
the
is
menu?
on the appetizer, one of the small plates.
Get it? I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. It's called Beets Carpaccio on the menu.
And
right?
Pinot Noir would go really, really well with this.
Good stuff. Bistro 1907 right here in downtown Youngstown. Get here. I promise you, you will enjoy it. Thank you, Chef Mark.
Thank you, brother. I'll
job
see you
today.
soon, Mike.